Dirt in your garden is the key to a longer, healthier life. You know, have you ever spent a morning puttering around in the garden, getting your hands good and dirty, and then come inside feeling just wonderfully tired? Not the kind of tired from worrying or rushing, but a deep, satisfying feeling of accomplishment. It turns out that feeling is about so much more than just a tidy flower bed. Science is now showing us that getting our hands in the soil after 60 isn't just a pleasant hobby. It's one of the most brilliant things we can do for our overall health and longevity. In this video, we're going to dig into 5 wonderful reasons why your garden is truly a fountain of youth. Let's start with what might be the most obvious benefit. It's the perfect, gentle workout. Gardening gets you moving in all the right ways without feeling like a chore. You're bending, stretching, lifting pots, and pulling weeds, which all helps to keep your joints limber, your muscles strong, and your heart happy. It's functional fitness that actually has a purpose, and you can go entirely at your own pace. And while you're out there soaking up that gentle morning sun, you're also doing something incredible for your body's internal chemistry. Just 20 minutes or so can give you a fantastic dose of vitamin D, which is absolutely crucial for keeping our bones strong, our moods uplifted, and our immune systems fighting fit. It's a world of difference from just taking a pill. It's nature's way of giving us exactly what we need. Now, all that wonderful physical activity does more than just strengthen our bodies. It works absolute wonders for our minds. Have you ever noticed how your worries just seem to melt away when you're focused on planting a new seedling or figuring out where that tomato plant will get the best light? That's your brain entering a state of calm focus. Gardening is a natural stress reliever. It lowers our cortisol levels, that's the stress hormone, and really allows us to be present in the moment, which is a form of meditation without even trying. It's our own little peaceful retreat right outside the back door. And speaking of what's right outside our door, let's talk about the incredible bonus of growing your own food. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, quite like the taste of a sun-warmed strawberry or a crisp green bean that you've nurtured from a tiny seed. You know exactly where it came from and what's in it, and you're filling your plate with the most nutritious, vitamin-packed food possible, which fuels your body for all the other things you want to do in life. But perhaps the most beautiful harvest from our gardens isn't something we can eat at all. It's the profound sense of purpose and connection it gives us. Tending to a garden means nurturing life. It gives us a reason to get up and go outside, to watch something grow and thrive under our care. That sense of responsibility and accomplishment is a powerful antidote to feelings of irrelevance that can sometimes sneak up on us later in life. And it's a wonderful way to connect with others too. Whether it's sharing a basket of extra zucchini with a neighbor, trading gardening tips with a friend, or even showing your grandchildren how a pumpkin grows, the garden becomes a centerpiece for community and sharing stories. So you see, it's so much more than just a plot of land. It's our gym, our pharmacy, our therapist, our grocery store, and our social club, all rolled into one. I'd love to hear what you're growing in your garden this year, or what you'd like to try. Share your stories and your tips down in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more simple, joyful ways to live your very best life. Here's to getting our hands dirty and feeling fantastic while doing it.